Hello friends, welcome to our today's session. In this series, we are learning Azure Databricks in detail, and in our today's video, we will see what is web terminal and how to enable a web terminal in Azure Databricks, and what are the things that we can do in web terminal and what is its limitation. So these are all the things that we are going to see today in our demo. That being said, let us move on to our Databricks environment. So I am into my Databricks Community Edition account, and I have already started the cluster. Here you can see under compute, you can see I have created a cluster and it is running as well. So here you can see there are many tabs like configuration, notebook, libraries, event log, Spark UI, and one among that is the apps. So this is what we are going to see today. Under apps, if I click through, you can see something like web terminal, and it is disabled for now, and it says like web terminal provides a bash terminal running in a driver mode. Let me open this documentation as well. So this opens AWS document, but we do have the same thing in our Azure as well. So it says about some limitations that we have, and also it says about what is all can be done through the web terminal. So let me go back. Let us see how we can enable this large web terminal. So for that, go to settings here. Let me make it somewhat bigger. So move on to settings, admin console, and then here you can see something like workspace setting. So to enable this, you need a admin account under Azure Databricks as well, and under advanced, you can see something like web terminal, and by default this is disabled in all the accounts, in all the Azure Databricks account, and we have to enable if we need it. So now I am enabling it, and it is saying like you have to refresh the page to take the changes effect. So let me go ahead and refresh the page again. So the page got refreshed, and now let us move back to compute and to the same my cluster that is running, and again to the apps tab, and at this time you can see like my web terminal button has been enabled, and now let me click on this button. Let me try after 2 seconds. Let me refresh the page once again. So yes, here you can see my web terminal got open, and you can see here something like 7681. This is a port number through which the web terminal got connected. If this port is busy, then you will get an error message popping like you don't have access, or else you don't have a port available to connect to the web terminal. And this is the session that we have, and this session will last long only till the system is ideal, or else there is no clients or server side changes made. If there is no changes for a few minutes, then the system will turn off automatically. And if you want the changes to be reflected, I mean like if you want the session to be persistent, then you have to go ahead and use the command called tmux. And apart from that, this looks similar to bash. I have tried a few of the commands that is available in our bash scripting in our Unix environment. Everything pretty much works. We can also use Vim editor as well, which is a great one for us. Like you can see, I am opening x.txt, and you can see I am able to open a file in Vim editor, and I am able to edit it. And other options like I am not able to see where my files are getting stored, like the files that is in dbfs, where is it stored. I'm still checking on those things. I will update you once I'm able to find those informations. How we can leverage the usage of web terminal for the data sets as well. So we will not be able to submit the jobs as well here. That is the one drawback that I have found. Other things I'm still exploring. I will let you know, guys, once after completing my analysis. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys understood this web terminal. Try this in your own Databricks environment and let me know if you face any issues while opening it or while enabling it. I'm happy to help you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up signal if you really like my content. Thank you.